Hi everyone and welcome back to Login Science. Today in this video we will learn how to link sources in TikTok comments. So please make sure to follow the steps till the end. The very first step is to open your application TikTok. Here in the comment section of this video you'll get to see the blue link sources that people has commented. Now if you do want your comment to appear as a blue link at the top, then what you need to do is first of all move into the video of any person and head over to the comment section. The only way you can do it is by leaving the comment or the source panel that is related with the video. So for this video, you need to write a command as search and type the comment related with the video. You need to leave this comment. And it may or may not highlight your comment at the top. You can see that it didn't highlight it for me, but you can still try and it might work on your device. Well, if these things doesn't work for you, then what you can do is just wait for TikTok to update the feature where you can actually highlight the comments. So this was for today and this was the tutorial video on how to link sources in TikTok comments. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching it till the end.